How to make money without showing your face. YouTube is the one of the best way to earn money. Every day millions of people watching video on this platform, and every day thousands of people earn by uploading video, and you can do it too. YouTube is a fantastic opportunity for earn money. There are different type of channel. You just need to choose which is better for you and start a channel. Hi guys, this is Smart Money. In my channel I show how to make money online. I upload video every week that I show you how to make money on the internet. If you are interested about this topic, make sure to subscribe on my channel, push the like button, and the most important thing, active the notification bell for receive notify every time I upload a video. Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how make money on YouTube. Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to make money on YouTube without recording any video. There are different type of channel on YouTube, but there are two type of channel that you can start: personal brand channel and cash cow channel. The first one is channel like David Dobrik, Jack Paul. In this type of channel is so important the person who made the video. You can't delegate your job to another person. So in this type of channel you need to make content by yourself. I don't recommend this type of video, this type of channel if you don't want to become famous. The second one is a cash cow channel. You can make video without recording your face. You can easily delegate because the important of this channel is the type of content. In this video I tell you some tips for create this type of channel. Before we start this video, I remember to subscribe on my channel and click the like button. The first thing you need to do is choosing a niche that you can make uploading video without showing your face. The best video are the top 10 channel. For example, top 10 biggest dogs. As you can see, this type of video, the biggest dogs in the world, are uploaded 2 years ago and made 12 million views. You can also see these top 10 biggest dog breeds in the world, 10 abnormally large dog around the world, and every video has over than 1 million of views. So is pretty great, and this type of video are so simple to make. You can also delegate, for example, search people that can voice over or edit your video, and you just paid them and they do work for you. Another type of niche is life hacks. For example, 28 easy skincare hacks to make you feel amazing, or 28 genius life hacks for everyday situation. As you can see, this video has reached 6 million views in 7 months. Is pretty amazing. There are so much video and all has so much views. In this type of channel you can choose specific niche like food life hacks, school life hacks, home life hacks. There are great examples for a sub niche where you can choose for creating your YouTube channel. Second step, creating a content. Someone can ask me how can I create a content without showing my face. The answer is pretty simple. There are many ways to create a content without showing your face, but the best way is recording your voice. You just need a telephone and all you have to do is recording your voice. It's pretty simple. After that you need a video editor. There are a lot of video editors on the internet. You can choose whatever you want. I personally use Sony Vegas Pro, but if you don't want pay, there are a lot of free video editors. All you have to do is just searching on Google free video editor. After that you can choose what type of clip do you want to use. I recommend to use clip that are not copyright because YouTube can delete or demonetize this type of video, so be sure the content you use are copyright free. I usually take clip on Pexel, is a photo and video stocks site where you can use photo or video for free, and this type of content are copyright free. When you choose the clip, all you have to do is insert the clip into your video editor and set your voiceover. If you want, you can also insert music. You just need to search on YouTube free copyright music, and there are thousands of music you can use for your video and make your video more interesting. The last step is monetize your channel. There are different ways you can monetize your channel. The most famous is monetize with ad. You have to reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watched. And when you get it, you will be paid for every single ad that people watch on your video. Another way to earn money on YouTube is promoting affiliate product. There are different sites, for example ClickBank, Amazon Affiliate. You can find product and promote them in your video. For example, you can do top 10 best gadget on Amazon and insert in the description the link of this product. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Create this type of YouTube channel. This video is finished. I hope you like, and if you do, click the like button, subscribe and activate the notification bell. We will see to the next video. Bye!